this video segment, we're going to be talking all things IGORA Vibrance and gray blending. Gray blending is huge in salon. You get clients that come in every 2 to 3 weeks for permanent hair color touch-ups, but maybe you have clients now that are coming in for more of a gray blending because they're just not that interested in coming in every 2 to 3 weeks. So here we're going to talk about all the things you need to know for gray blending. The chart that you're looking at here showcases if you are going to use IGORA Vibrance for gray blending, you're going to need to utilize some version of a -0, which is our neutral natural, or -00 natural extra. In the chart you can see, you'll be able to get up to 30% gray blending using any shade in IGORA Vibrance and our 6 volume activator. Now if you're looking for up to 50% gray blending, you'll utilize any shade within the portfolio alongside a -0 and our 13 volume activator for 50% gray blending. Lastly, if you want up to 70% gray blending, you'll choose any shade in the IGORA Vibrance portfolio and mix it with a -00 with 13 volume activator lotion for up to 70% gray blending. Our recommendation for the best possible application in gray blending utilizing IGORA Vibrance would be to mix with our activator lotions. Again, for maximum gray blending, you're going to utilize our 13 volume activator lotion, and most likely with a bowl and brush for the most precision application, especially around those stubborn hairlines to make sure that you're getting the best coverage you can. Don't forget, texture of hair has everything to do with percentage of gray blending just as much as it does in permanent hair color. And don't forget, when we're talking textures of hair, finer hair texture is going to be easier to get maximum gray blending on. Medium hair textures, probably about what we say, 30, 50, up to 70% white blending. And then lastly, coarse hair textures are going to be slightly more difficult to achieve the utmost gray blending with IGORA Vibrance. So these are just things to keep in mind. All right, everybody has that client who maybe wants some gray blending, but isn't necessarily ready to commit to full gray coverage. Here's our model, Johnny. She is going to play 2 roles for us today. The first is our gray blending capabilities with IGORA Vibrance. Remember, you can get up to 70% gray blending with IGORA Vibrance, and we'll explain how. Just want to give you a little close-up here. Johnny doesn't really have that much gray, and so what we want to show you today first is that IGORA Vibrance will give us up to 70% gray blending. We're going to be utilizing a combination of our IGORA Vibrance 7-00 and IGORA Vibrance 7-1. We'll combine that equal parts with the IGORA Vibrance 4% 13 volume activator lotion for precision application. Let's get started. We've got our IGORA Vibrance 7-00 with the 7-1. Both of those formulas are equal parts. And then as well, that is equal parts with our IGORA Vibrance 4% 13 volume activator lotion. We mixed it up. As you can see, you've got this beautiful consistency for bowl and brush application. So wherever you put the color, it's going to stay versus kind of drip down their face or down the hair. So basically what we're gonna do is apply the color. We're going to leave this section undone so that you can see the end result. The development time for IGORA Vibrance is 5 to 20 minutes, if you remember from our previous video. Since we're looking for maximum gray blending here, and we did use the IGORA Vibrance 4% 13 volume activator lotion, we are going to develop for the full 20 minutes to make sure that we get the maximum amount of gray blending. We'll let Johnny sit for that time. We'll come back and show you the end result side by side. Okay, IGORA Vibrance up to 70% gray blending. Proof is in the pudding. As you can see here, we started Johnny. You can see here how much percentage of white she has up in the front. And if you remember, we did the section here with IGORA Vibrance 7-00, equal parts 7-1. And all of that mixed equal parts with the IGORA Vibrance Activator 4% 13 volume lotion for precision application. As you can see here, we got really some significant gray blending. And again, compared to what you've got there up in front. And again, here you can see firsthand that we get some significant gray blending, again, compared to what Johnny started with. So I'm really happy. I hope you're really happy. And then next up, what we're going to show you is our dual system application, and we'll explain those formulas when we get there. But yeah, here's the IGORA Vibrance Gray Blending.